what is the output of the following code? Is it A 444.324 or is it B 444 or is it C runtime error or is it D compilation error? Now if you look at this, int value is equal to data. Now data is double. So converting from a bigger data type that is double to a smaller data type that is int is not allowed in Java, as it is a lossy conversion. So it must give us a compilation error. So let us check in the IDE, compiling the program, and it should give us a error, compilation error. So yes, it is giving us incompatible type, lossy conversion, compilation error. Hence our option, that is D compilation error, is the correct answer.